In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Facebook report a problem option not showing. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app. Now navigate to menu page. Scroll down. You're going to find the option of help and support. Click on that. Under that, you're going to find the option of report a problem. If you do not find this option, what you will need to do is update your Facebook. For that, close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Facebook. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is, instead of using Facebook app, you can use the web version. For that, you can launch your preferred browser, then head over to the website facebook.com. Provide your credentials and log into your account. Using web version, you might get the option of report a problem. Next up, check the server status of Facebook. For that, you can head over to the website Down Detector. If you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved from their side. And that's it. These are some fixes for Facebook report a problem option not showing. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.